I have a confession. I have been using Microsoft Edge as my browser of choice, this guy right here, for a long time now. Now, I started using it because it had Copilot built into it to chat with the LLM model about the page that I was viewing back before everybody under the sun was adding that as an extension. And as you can see up here at the top, I mean, I've even got the Claude extension built in to Edge, so I don't even use that functionality. But then I got used to using it, and it is a good browser. So it's a Chromium-based browser, so it's very similar to Google Chrome and how it feels, how it runs under the hood. You can install the same extensions that work on Chrome over here. Firefox, you can do that over there as well. But it's time to move back, and the only thing that's been holding me up from moving back is just the hassle of moving all my bookmarks and save stuff over here. So I do use a password manager, so that's solved. I'm going to show you how to move your bookmarks. As you can see, I got a bunch of them right up here in folders, and I just want those to go over to Chrome without having to rebuild everything. Let's do it together. So if you go up here to your three little dots, and then you go to Favorites, or Control-Shift-O if you're on Windows, then you've got another three little dots right here. And I haven't done this yet, so this is real time. Now I want to export those, and it's going to say, hey, where do you want to export them? It's actually just going to export them as an HTML document. So that's all this is. So that's standard issue that all browsers can read. I'm going to save it to my desktop, click Save, and then over in Chrome, same deal, three dots, Bookmarks and Lists, import bookmarks and settings, import from an HTML file. So see this right here. It defaulted to Windows Internet Explorer if you're way back in the day. And I want to import favorites and bookmarks. So now I'll choose the file. I'll go back to my desktop, and then we select that same HTML file, import bookmarks and settings, done, and check it out. Now I've got all of those right here, right where I wanted them. So I'm going to do a little bit of rearranging because I don't want them nested in a favorites bar folder and in an imported folder. I just want these folders to live on my bar. So to do that, I'm going to right-click on this All Bookmarks right up here, and then select down here the Bookmark Manager. So that'll bring up the bookmarks bar, this imported little folder, this favorites bar, and now all of these guys. I think if I just click and drag this to the bookmarks bar, boom. Now we've got all of my stuff right where it needs to be, right up here. And I've got this straggler LinkedIn Live video that I guess we will put into Creator. Boom. There you go. Hope that's helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if it was, and if you need any other help like this. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, all the things. Hope you have a great one.